Hey, Devin Rose here, Lionheart Catholic. Hope you're doing well during this difficult time. Saw something on Facebook at our local town and local school district page, and it was one of the parents complaining about schools having to close temporarily during this crisis. And I blacked out his name, but he says, "Oh, nice. Must not be going back to school next week. Independent school district of our town. It'll be interesting to see how long now we're going to stop educating our children." And what's so funny about this is this poor guy doesn't realize that his children can learn even outside of the public school system. He can teach them things. His wife can teach them things. They can learn things at home. They can learn things online. Matter of fact, kids do really well learning on their own. Yes, they need some direction, they need support, etc. But almost any adult can actually give that type of support. You don't have to have the public school system to teach your child. And one benefit from this crisis is people are learning that. They're realizing, oh, this is what homeschooling's like. This isn't the worst thing in the world. We can do this. Fortunately, there were many people who responded to him and many people who have their children in public school and said, hey, there's a lot you can do right now. Here's ideas. And the school district is trying to set up virtual e-learning, type of platform. So that's happening. But this is a wake-up call for a lot of people. And they're starting to realize, oh, there's a lot that I can do. I don't even have to have the public school system. What a great wake-up time. So hope you're doing well. Hope your children are doing well. We're homeschooling, so this hasn't changed for us other than limiting our social engagements with others. God bless.